Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs in an Instant Pot. Add 1 cup water, set eggs on the trivet, select manual high pressure for 5 minutes, then quick release and transfer eggs to an ice bath immediately. Let eggs rest in ice water for 5 minutes to ensure firm yolks and easy peeling. Store cooled eggs in the fridge for up to 1 week for best freshness. Pressure timing controls yolk texture more predictably than stovetop methods. For typical firm yolks, 5 minutes at high pressure followed by quick release and 5-minute ice bath works well. If you prefer creamier yolks, try 4 minutes and the same quick release and ice bath. For fully set, slightly drier yolks, 6 minutes often does the trick, but always use the ice bath to stop carryover cooking. Peeling becomes simple after an ice bath because the membrane separates from the shell. Tap each egg gently to form cracks, then roll and peel under running water to ease stubborn bits. If eggs are very fresh, give them an extra minute of pressure or wait a day before peeling for best results. Keep unpeeled eggs refrigerated in their carton or in a sealed container to maintain freshness for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.